Guys, share ko lang sa inyo ang aking bitter melon. Ayan guys, oh, cute ano? Dami niya, no? Yan. Yan pa guys, oh. Ito. Yan. Yan, bitter melon. Yan. That's a 3 kind variety. One of them is kind of Indian bitter melon. This one, oh, look at that, oh. But the other one kind of bitter melon, I don't have it. Those are very shrink. Ito guys, ang ganda, no? Diba? Oh. Yan guys. Ayan po, oh. It's beautiful, eh? Yan pa guys, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh. Yan pa siya. Marami pa siya guys, bunga, oh. Yan, oh. Ito pa, oh. Yan, oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang dami, no? There's a lot of fruits. But it's coming soon, the autumn. You see that guys? It's a simple garden, but you can get something with the fruits. Ayan. That's the only one thing I can show you guys. My bitter melon. Ampalaya. That's a different varieties guys, eh. Ayan, oh. Ayan guys, yung maliliit. Ayan, oh. Pinangahalo sa diningding. They make them laswa or diningding, pakbet. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, it's hiding. Oh, you see guys. Oh, diba, no? Cute niya, no? Ito pwede ko na tong anihin. Pwede ko na siyang kunin. Yeah. Yan lang guys ang aking maipapakita sa inyo. At si talong. Yan guys.